In today's video, I'm going to teach you to dispute a charge on American Express. By the end, you'll feel confident taking care of a charge that doesn't look right step by step without any guesswork. Start by reaching out to the merchant directly. This is often the fastest way to fix things, especially for duplicate charges, wrong amounts, or items that didn't arrive as expected. Keep your tone calm and clear, explain what went wrong, and ask for a correction or refund. Make a quick note of the date you contacted them and what they said. If they resolve it, you're done. If not, don't worry, American Express can help. Next, log into your American Express account online or through the mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection. Once you're in, head to your transactions or activity section. This is where you'll see your recent charges listed by date, amount, and merchant. If you have multiple cards, double check you're looking at the right one. Now, scroll through your recent activity and select the transaction you want to dispute. Open the charge to view its details. Take a second to review the date, amount, and merchant descriptor since some businesses use a different name on your statement. From there, look for the option that says Dispute this charge and select it. The site or app will guide you through a quick set of prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, choosing the reason that best matches your situation, whether it's a charge you don't recognize, something you were charged for but didn't receive, or a billing error. Provide the necessary details about the issue. Be specific and concise. Describe what happened, include any dates you contacted the merchant, and add supporting information like order numbers or receipts if the system allows attachments. Stick to the facts, and don't include sensitive account data that isn't requested. When everything looks good, submit your dispute. Once submitted, American Express will review your request and keep you updated on the status, typically by email and within your account's message center. You may see updates as they investigate, and in some cases, a temporary credit may appear while they work through the claim. If they need more information, they'll let you know, so keep an eye on your messages. And that's it. Contact the merchant, log in, find the transaction, select Dispute this charge, follow the prompts, provide the details, and submit. With these steps, you can handle a questionable charge quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and take care.